If you're struggling with muscle spasms or cramps, let's talk about natural and herbal remedies that may help relieve them quickly and safely. Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, in this 60-second video, I'll share effective time-tested herbal remedies that may help. One of the best herbs for muscle relaxation is valerian root, known for its calming effect on nerves and muscles. Another excellent option is cramp bark, traditionally used to soothe uterine and skeletal muscle cramps. Magnesium-rich herbs, like nettles and dark leafy greens, can also help reduce spasms by replenishing key minerals your muscles need. For topical relief, try a rosemary or chamomile-infused oil. Gently massaging these oils into the affected area may ease tension and improve circulation. Remember, hydration, stretching, and a balanced diet are crucial for muscle health. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural healing tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Please consult a qualified healthcare provider before starting any herbal treatment, especially if you're on medication or have a health condition.